Are you tired of wrestling with stubborn RV waste valves? When traditional dump stations leave you frustrated with jammed, hard-to-operate valves, the challenge of opening them with hands that don't work like they used to. Manual valves often fail due to lack of use, and opening them becomes tricky when the tanks are full. Imagine a solution requiring only one finger, with minimum effort, and automated operation. Introducing the Vantage RV Automatic Dump Valve Discharge System, a revolutionary, hands-free approach engineered for reliability and durability. Enjoy a smoother, cleaner dump process that minimizes the stress at the dump station when others are queuing up after you. Simplify, improve every adventure. Experience effortless waste dumping. Trust Vantage RV to come up with yet another solution to everyday problems.